Alright, so this video is about the Boat Storm smartwatch, which is releasing on the 29th of this month at a very interesting price point, which is just 1999 on Flipkart. And we will compare this Boat Storm smartwatch with the similar kind of watch from Noise. It's the Noise Smartwatch Pro 2, which released, I guess, 6 months back. Talking about Boat is a very renowned brand in electronics, sound electronics especially. It makes headphones and earphones, but this company is coming up with the smartwatch for the first time. But it is a totally reliable brand. I have used the product of the company, and they sell valuable products basically. So let's get started straight into the video without wasting any time. Comparing both the watches, both watches features the same 1.3-inch LCD display and also the same multi-sport mode. The Boat watch is resistant up to 50 meter. The Noise Colorfit Pro 2 is just 1.5 meter, which means the Boat can survive in water for a longer period. When it comes to battery backup, the Boat has a runtime of 8 days, whereas the Noise Colorfit 2 is a little bit on the higher side here with a runtime of 10 days. When it comes to weight of these watches, the Boat is 50 gram due to its metal body, and the Noise Colorfit Pro 2 is a lighter in weight of 35 gram due to its plastic body. When it comes to price of these watches, the Noise Colorfit Pro 2 you can get it at 2799. When it comes to Boat, it comes with a really impressive price at just rupees 1999. When it comes to price, the Boat has an edge over here with just 1999, which makes it a totally value for money product. So this was all about the comparison between the two watches. If you have any queries about it, so you can comment down in the video below. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching.